Hello guys,
Yes.
I'm so fun this part and I can see over here. And I'm so fun. There's a spice so many toys here.
You
Clippers
sit. You
and
sit.
I sit and play to my toys.
You enjoy the park?
Yes, I like a display. And this was and my sweet baby. Look, so sweet. And it has so many ladybugs. I
Wow.
love it. This ladybugs is a yellow, is a red, is a green, is a pink, is a purple, and I love to. I love my helmet, and I can stick sticks too. And I'm so fat, and I have this small look. This is like a play, and my day is so smiley. This is my chair. I can sit and I can stand up too, like this. And this is my mommy water bottle. This is my mommy her phone bag. And this is one bag. Over, come guys, I can take you this. Yeah. So very long.